sir. My name is Luisa May Andres Galendez. I'm 25 years old, and I am dedicated, hardworking person, compassionate, patient care, strong multitasking skills. I am a college undergraduate, hotel restaurant services, but I take a vocational caregiver at Eyelid Medic School Healthcare Sciences. On the job training, Good Samaritan Nursing Home for the Elderly, I have certificate of completion, basic nursing skills, basic life support, basic first aid, and especially the proper care for the infant. For me as a helper, the household chores that I can do at home: marketing, cooking, meal preparation, doing dishes after each meal, cleaning the house, ironing the clothes, and washing.